Actually, that's his best. Something like you. Already, the other team has just won. It was playing on their mind.
Great shit. You can't compete with that. I'm not upset about it. I'm disgusted with it. Rick is going to be formed before the day's over. The way he's going.
Can't stop spinning.
19-year-old Jake Shake Shack is a full-time musician. Thanks to help with his #1 fan.
I live at home with my mum and my dad, George. We are a really close family. My dad is a great guy. He'll literally do anything for me.
Choreographer.
Gets the gigs and helps out with those gigs.
I pretty much do everything. I wonder what Jake does actually sometimes. We've only got a small town. Thought we'd go have a little mini tour, but we've got a set plan of doing things which don't involve me. We're doing with hand signals, a bit of this, the up and down.
He is like a best friend to me, and I know for no matter what, he'll always be there.
Just over 12 months ago, Jake performed his first gig in public.